First, it started as a joke. You were taking things easy, in a funny way, and for time passing only. Then you saw some result in your appearance. I remember you convinced me despite I was lazy and not caring that much. And you were right. Shisha doesn't fit me anymore. I missed my doctors. What started as a joke became now lifestyle and an investment in myself and in my health to continue to strive. Most important thing is the journey, not the destination. Today I can see the difference between me and my friends who did not care. They look much older than me, and some even are sick and taking chronic medicine.
And here I am, at the age of 53. I'm still teasing my friend that they have the same age of mine. I knew if I didn't listen to you, I won't be the same person who I am today. It's like life just started. And you, why you are still watching? Go make your move now.